Hey, this is Jeeps Rock. I'm going to go real quickly and show you what's in this black box. This is from GPCA. This is the GPCA X Leash set, designed for animals, but we actually use it for our paddle boards, and I'll show you how we do that and how we think this set's really nice for that. This also is for adjustable, tough, non-pull, multi-handling position, clippable, swappable, and tie down anywhere. And the tie down anywhere is the truth on that. So we'll go ahead and show you what's in this box. So the first box is the XGRIP itself. And this one says it's solid steel handle, carabiner clip, keychain, multi-purpose grip, tie down, and bottle openers. This is the first one that we're going to talk about. This is the XGRIP. So you can see here, and the way it works is this is actually locks in place. So it's right now it's unlocked, and it's also got a little icon here that shows that it's locked. It also can be clipped onto your belt here if you wanted to do something like that. And what that's for is it's for your free hand. So if you're walking an animal, you can either have it just kind of hold there, and then that way if it's not too large of an animal, it'll pull you away, but it'll just let you, if you're kind of like what we have back here, we've got our nice little pond here, so we could actually go fishing, have our animal right next to us, so I don't have to worry about it kind of running off on us. But the way it works is you've got different grip handles. You can have it here, you can have a loose handle, tight, and what it does is that leash will line up right here in this piece. But this is the bottle opener I had mentioned before. So that's the XGRIP itself. The next piece is going to be the XClip. XClip is what we're using for the actual paddle boards. So the paddle boards have a lot of different places for tie downs and stuff. So this one is actually clicks right in for us when we use it on our paddle boards. And while I'm opening this up, I'll go ahead and bring up a few pictures too, so you can kind of see how we've used it. And really all you need is just something to wrap around, like a tree or something that might be out in the water, or some kind of other kind of, maybe a rock or something. You can hold that in there too. But this is the XClip, and it's got a spring load, so you can kind of see how this works. I'll put this down. So you can see it's got a spring to it, and it's got a clip. So what you do is you put your leash through here, and that's your clip. So again, you can just clip that right onto your dog's leash, or maybe if they're wearing some kind of vest or something, you put that on there. So that's the clip. And the last thing is actually going to be the leash itself. And again, they've packaged this really well. It's all going to be blacks, and it says there. This is going to be the X rope. And I will mention that we've actually been using this for over a year now, and it still has held up really well. Again, being dragged through nasty grime stuff through like lakes and stuff like that, still held up really well. We can clean the rope. But this is the leash itself, and how it works is there are two arrows right here. So if you actually pull through here and then down, extends it even longer, or you can go shorter. It's got a nice grip to it. And again, what you would do here with our clip that we'd mentioned that we put on our paddle board is we just put that right through and then down and then pull. And that's how easy it is. And then if this is already on our paddle board, you just clip it. But again, this could be, if I had a dog right here, I could just clip it right to the harness and you would go. So those are the different pieces that comes with this. Is the full set. Again, your grip, your clip, and the leash. So those are those, but I want to show you a little bit more about this. Again, they're known for their different, this is the grip. This one is actually going to be called the Carabiner LITE is what this one's for. So you can see a big difference between the two. This one is the LITE because it's got like a box cutter right here on the top, as you can see. Same kind of principle, it's got that same lock, so it's locked right now. So if I unlock it, just slide it back. And now you can use that. It's got your pry type of bottle opener, that type of thing, but this is the LITE right here. And the one that I use all the time is going to be the bad boy here. This is the one that's got everything to it. So it's the same idea, same lock. This one has screwdrivers. It's got the same box cutter. And I use this to open up all my boxes. And I even will make sure I have like a little quick video real quick of what I did with this. But I actually cut a whole little a whole pumpkin with this. I carved a whole pumpkin just using this, and it's still very, very sharp. So then it's got the pry, it's got your bottle opener, that type of thing. So just want to show you again, there's a whole different family of grips that are out there from GPCA. So take a look at GPCA and to see what all the other options they have. They even have pins as well, which is a bolt action pin, which is really nice. I have one of those too. So take a look at GPCA, and thanks again for watching Jeeps Rock. Make sure you get a grip.